Hey guys, welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. I already solved this one, but I'm going to walk you through it. So this is problem 404, sum of left leaves. Given the root of a binary tree, return the sum of all left leaves. A leaf is a node with no children. A left leaf is a leaf that is the left child of another node. So what are the left leaves? What are leaves here? It's 9, 15, and 7, because they are nodes with no children. And which ones are left nodes? 9, 15, and these are both leaves. So left leaves are 9 and 15. So we need to return the sum of all the left leaves. So how do we do that? So let me just delete this. So we start with sum of left leaves, and I'm just going to do if root is none, return 0. Though I don't really need this. And I'm going to do something which uses an auxiliary function. And I implemented a function which is similar to it, but has another parameter, which is a flag, a Boolean value called isLeft. So as we can see from the definition of the class tree node here, we can't really... Oh, I just noticed my camera is on the left, so maybe you didn't see 9 and 15. That's the sum we need to have, and the output is 24. Yeah, 9 plus 15. Let me just move the camera over here. So if you see from the definition of tree node, we have the value, the left child and the right child. We don't have the father. So it's hard for us to check, oh, we just got to a leaf. Is it a left leaf or a right leaf? We don't know, unless we pass a flag whenever we get there. So if always the edge case, if root is none, or the base case, return 0. So we just got to so let's figure out if we're at the leaf. If root dot left is none and root dot right is none, then it's a leaf, right? And if it's a leaf, we need to return root.val if is left. So if is left, we return root.val, else we return 0. So let me just delete this so I can have more space. So what do we do now? We just need to then say, okay, so if we got here, so return self dot sum of left leaves auxiliary of root dot left and true, flag true, plus self dot sum of left leaves root dot right. Let's submit this. Accepted. Runtime 37. Well, this was the best runtime I got. Memory 17.2. Well, I did get 17.1. Well, but this is the way to go. Hope you guys enjoyed it.